So I had one guy come in the comments and saying, you know, what makes me think I'm worth $1,400 a day? I don't think that, man. I know it. And I can break it down, the logistics of everything, if you really want to break it down. And I will break it down for you just so you'll know, okay? So if you went and tried to rent my machine at the rental yard with just a flat bucket, I know there's going to be somebody say different, but to rent a machine like mine in my area, you're going to be at $700 or $800 a day to include the delivery of the machine to the job. So that puts you at, you know, we'll say reservingly $700, okay? Now, to rent a power rake, you're going to be at about $180 a day. To rent a brush cutter, probably around $200, $220 a day. To rent a stump grinder, you're probably going to be around, well, if you can find one, that's critical. If you can find one, you're probably going to be around $300 a day. I'm talking about one for skid steer. So that right there takes you way over $1,400. And on top of all that, you still got to do the work. So getting $1,400 for everything that I can do is a deal. And I get it pretty regular. And if you watch the channel, instead of trying to critique everything that I say and do, if you just watch, you'd see that I get that on the regular. And I'm trying to explain to you why without being disrespectful. That's why and how I get $1,400 a day. That's what makes me know that it's worth it, because I know that they're going to be hard pressed to find somebody that has all the equipment. I said owns all the equipment that I have and can bring it to a job and do a multitude of things for $1,400 in one day. I put myself, and I'll say it, I put myself in the best scenario to win, just like with everything that I do out here. The best scenario to win based on what I know at this very moment. Now, that could change in a year or two, because obviously a year or two from now, I will know more than I know right now. But based on what I do right now and what I know right now and what I can get right now, I can get $1,400 a day all day long for everything. How many people do you know that can pull up to a job and grade resurface a gravel driveway without bringing gravel, that can trim trees, remove trees, grind stumps, and do brush cutting, heavy duty brush cutting clearings all in one day? No, yeah. I mean, there are plenty of guys that can do it, but I ain't seen them on YouTube. I'm just saying, I mean, if they're out there, they're out there. I'm not saying they're not. I'm just saying I ain't seen it. So, put yourself in the best position to win. And when I say that, without having to count on somebody else, when you are renting equipment, and if you don't own the equipment, then you're having to count on another contractor being the rental yard and or their equipment that they may have on the yard or not. So you may not be able to get a stump grinder and a brush cutter at the same time. Meanwhile, Ray, me, I done went to the job, done the job, brush cutted the job, redid the gravel driveway, and did all that for $1,400 while you're still looking to try to find equipment that you can rent. And you ain't even, and you wasting time doing all that when just the mere saving of time and being in control of the job and the timing of the job is worth whatever the equipment costs. I'm just saying. So that's my take on that. And that's how I know that I'm worth $1,400 a day at the minimum.